Oh my goodness, what the heck should I create my next video about? I don't feel inspired. I've run out of ideas. Have you ever asked these questions to yourself when you can't come up with new video ideas? Don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to research YouTube video topics for beginners. My name is Herman Drost from drostdesigns.com. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. In my previous video, I gave you 21 YouTube video ideas you can start using right away. However, you should be researching new topics for new videos all the time. Click the card icon to watch my video on 21 YouTube content ideas for beginners. So in this video, you'll discover all the places I visit to research topics for my next few videos. Number 1, capture new ideas in advance. New ideas often come to my mind when I'm not at the computer. For example, when I go running in nature, new ideas spring to my mind. They also might occur while I'm driving my car or taking a shower. The important thing is to capture that idea before you lose it. Therefore, I often use the Notes app on my iPhone to capture ideas on the go. If you've got the free TubeBuddy app installed on your phone, just go to the Topic Planner. Under Video Topics, click Add Topic. I also use Google Docs to create a list of ideas. In your case, you might just use a notebook and pen, but just use whatever is handy. Number 2, YouTube. When I'm lost for inspiration, I often visit my competitors' channels and watch some of their videos. Of course, you don't want to copy their video content, but perhaps you can approach the topic from a different angle based upon your own thoughts. Keep in mind that your audience is attracted to your own unique style and presentation. There's nobody else as unique as you, so be confident in what you have to say. If you want to find the most popular videos on a competitor's channel, just go to the Videos tab and then filter for the most popular videos. These are the top videos on the channel that have got the most views. Number 3, blogs. The best way to find those blogs is to enter the main keyword plus blog in the Google search engine. Number 4, forums. Forums contain a lot of topics that people are already talking about. You can find them in the same way that you find blogs in your niche. Just to enter keyword plus forum in the Google search engine. Number 5, Facebook groups. Use the Facebook search engine to find Facebook groups that are related to your niche. Facebook groups are a great place to find questions to problems that people are asking. You might even create your own Facebook group so you can survey the members of the group for future topics for future videos. Number 6, live streams. If you ever attended a live stream before, you know that the same questions keep popping up over and over. This presents a great opportunity to create a video around that topic. Number 7, questions from the YouTube community. Look through the comments on your own channel and other people's channels for videos that you can create videos for. You can even invite people in your video to ask their questions in the comments. This will help you to come up with a topic for your next video or series of videos. So if you have a question about YouTube that you want answered in my next video, post it in the comments below. Number 8, survey your audience. Did you know that you can add polls to your existing videos on YouTube? Click the card icon to watch my video on how to create polls for YouTube videos. If you have an email list, survey your list. If you have a Facebook group, survey the members in your group. If you can tap into the mind of your audience, you'll always come up with new ideas for your videos. Alternatively, if you are your target audience, then ask yourself, because you probably have the same questions as your audience. Number 9, live events and conferences. When you attend a conference of like-minded people in your niche, you'll have an overflowing number of ideas for your next video. For example, when I went to the VidSummit conference last year, I came back with a bunch of ideas for my next videos. It's also a great place to interact with your community and the friends you made online. Number 10, Clora. Go to Clora.com, click what is your question, how to train a puppy, how do I train a puppy, how do you train a puppy not to nip or bite, how do you train a puppy to bark. If I click on how do I train a puppy, I've got an article here, then I've got related questions. How do I potty train a puppy? How do I get my puppy to stop biting me? What is the most effective way to obedience train a puppy, etc. Number 11, answer the public. Go to answerthepublic.com and enter your main keyword. So I'm going to put train a puppy, click get questions, and here you can see I've got 84 questions. I've got why questions, what questions, who questions, how questions, will questions, can questions, where questions, which questions, when questions. So I've got a ton of topics here. Then I've got 104 prepositions. Then I've got 15 comparisons. Then I've got 469 alphabeticals. Number 12, LSI Graph. Go to lsigraph.com to generate latent semantic indexing keywords for your content. Just enter your keyword here. So I'm going to enter train puppy, click I'm not a robot. It says hold on, let us search through our LSI database. So here we've got a lot of suggestions: how to train a puppy to sit, how to train a puppy to walk on a leash, how to train a puppy to sit and stay, how to train a puppy to stay, how to train a puppy to sit without treats, and so on. Number 13, magazines and books. Go to your local Barnes & Noble and look for magazines and books that are related to your niche. When looking through magazines, get ideas for future videos by looking at the headlines of the articles. Look for books related to the topics that you want to create videos for. Reading a book in your niche often stimulates new ideas for future videos. Number 14, local library. Your local library is also a great source for finding books related to your niche. The great thing about library books is that you don't have to purchase the book. You can just bring it home for a few days. Number 15, YouTube search box. Enter your main keyword phrase in the YouTube suggestion box. So I entered train a puppy, and we've got train a puppy not to bite, train a puppy to poop outside, etc. You can also do the same for Google. If I enter train a puppy, then I've also got these suggestions here. This means that people are searching for those specific keyword phrases. Number 16, trending topics. If you got the TubeBuddy extension installed, just click on the TubeBuddy icon, then click on Tag Explorer. Then enter your main keyword phrase in the Tag Explorer, click Explore, and you can click on Trending. So we've got rising related queries over the last 12 months. These are all breakout phrases. And we've got top related queries in the last 12 months. Now you know 16 ways to research ideas before you create your next video. But how do you test to see if those ideas are any good? Click the link in the card to watch my YouTube tags tutorial using the free Chrome extension TubeBuddy. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, click the round subscribe button below and check out the related videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.